Did you know that examining every single impulse before acting for just 1 week could completely transform your entire life? Here's what would happen if you paused before checking your phone, reaching for snacks, or reacting emotionally. First, you'd be shocked to discover how many of your actions are pure unconscious habit. Most impulses aren't rational choices, they're just your brain seeking pleasure or avoiding pain. Simple tasks would suddenly become deliberate decisions, which feels frustrating at first, but then something incredible happens. You'd uncover emotional triggers you never even noticed before. That urge to scroll when you feel anxious, eating when you're bored, not hungry. As you pause between what happens to you and how you respond, you develop unshakable self-control. Paradoxically, this makes you feel more free than ever because you're choosing your actions consciously. You'd finally see the massive difference between what you want and what you actually need. This single stoic practice hands you conscious control over your entire life experience. Most people live on autopilot forever, but not you.